Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about promotions in NABARD. So if you are watching this video, then I'm assuming that you are either preparing for this exam or you are thinking that you should prepare for this exam, right? So it's very important to know that if you are joining as an NABARD grade A officer in NABARD organization, then what should be your career growth? Okay, what after NABARD grade A officer, what after 5 years or 10 years, if we see your career growth in NABARD, right? So for that, I have come up with this video, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how promotions happen in NABARD and what are the different level to which you can exceed or which you can go in the NABARD career. So this is the agenda of this video, but before starting, I have a request that if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to download the PDF of this lecture or other lecture regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel because we post all the PDFs on the Telegram channel. So with that, let's start our today's video. And as the topic of today's video is that what are the promotions that we see after as a NABARD grade A officer. So students, see, NABARD grade A officer is a entry level you can say examination that you give and you become assistant manager, right? In NABARD, as a grade A officer, the post that you get as a assistant manager. Okay? Then what will happen after 4 to 5 years, you will serve as a assistant manager, and then based on the vacancies or based on the requirement, you will be promoted to the grade B officer. Then you become the manager. Okay, and then under you there will be some assistant manager. So after becoming manager and serving NABARD for 4 to 6 years, there will be again the requirement of assistant general manager, and you are required to give interviews. Okay, so it's not like that they will just promptly promote you from assistant manager to manager. There will be examination, there will be interview held for that, and if you can excel in that interview and if you can get through that interview, then you become assistant general manager. Okay, then assistant general manager becomes section in charge. So there are basically various section in the department, and when you become assistant general manager, then you become one section in charge. Okay, the section comes under you. Then after 4 years and after writing a test and giving an interview again, then you get a chance to become deputy general manager. Okay, so students, here you have to understand, it's not like that you have to study only once to get as a grade A officer. In NABARD also, again, to get promotions, you will have to constantly work on yourself. Okay, that you should be clear in your mind, that you should constantly work on yourself, and आपका जो काम है वो बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. Then you have written test and interview, so that means you need to update yourself as per the requirement of organization. Okay, if you seek for the promotion. So after written test and interview, then you become deputy general manager. Okay, and now deputy general manager is the in charge of 3-4 section. Okay, here assistant general manager was a section in charge. Now the assistant general manager of 3-4 section comes under you as you become the deputy general manager. Now after 3 years, then again an interview happens, and then you become general manager, and now you become office in charge. Now one regional office will be under you. Okay, as a general manager. Then again, as per the requirement, then again you become the CGM, that is the chief general manager, and you become head of state or department. Okay, so either you become a head of a department or a state. That means now all the activities of NABARD that is going on inside a state, you are in charge of that. Okay, so you can see that the promotions or the career opportunity in NABARD is immense. Okay, from assistant manager you can go till the chief general manager, you can become the head of a state as a NABARD officer. Okay, so it's very good opportunity, I would say. Okay, if you are someone who is enthusiastic, who is willing to join NABARD as a grade A officer, and you are ready to work on yourself, you are ready to update yourself, you are ready to put your 100%. So you can see after 10-20 years, or I would say 25 years, you can become chief general manager in NABARD grade A, and that is a very good post. Okay, now if I show you the flow chart of this promotions or the career growth opportunity that you have. So first you join as a assistant manager, then you become manager. Okay, now under manager there will be 2-3 assistant manager. Now After manager, you become assistant general manager, which is, I have told you, is a section in charge. One section in charge will be assistant general manager, and then now after assistant general manager you become general manager, and under general manager there will be 2-3 section in charge. Now after general manager there comes deputy general manager, and then chief general manager, which is the head of a state. Okay, now students, then we have a deputy managing directors and chairman. So if you excel, you can also become chairman, but I would guarantee you that if you do good in organization, if you perform well, if you show yourself, if you show your qualities, if you show talent, if you show worth to the organization, you can surely become chief general manager, and that is again a very good post and a very good thing, that you are responsible for the entire state. You are responsible for the activities of NABARD happening under entire state. Okay, so with that, I hope it is clear to you what are the promotions that happens after as a NABARD Grade A officer. Now before closing this video, I have a thing to show you guys, that we have launched a blog for you. Okay, now if you want any information regarding any examination, this blog can be helpful for you. Okay, we have different categories where we have listed different examination. You can see, you can visit these categories, select your exam for say NABARD Grade A you wanted to learn about. Okay, and here you will get all the information regarding NABARD examination, then job profile of a grade A officer, then strategy for clearing this examination, courses and success stories. Okay, you can visit any of the blog. Like if you want to see the success stories, you can see all the success stories are compiled here for you. You can watch them and get motivated, right? So this was the video, students. I hope you have enjoyed and you have got motivated for this examination. That is the purpose, that you should get motivated for this examination. And you can see that career opportunity is very good in the NABARD. If you join as a grade A officer, you can become a head of a state also, right, after a few years. So that's all, students. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.